Hey everyone, I've been having some issues with uh, a, a certain image, and we've been having issues with this every now and then. I'm currently on 3.5.1. I haven't been messing with any of the code or done any updates as of late, so there's nothing that I can think of that would have caused this. But here's the post that I'm working on, and this is what it looks like currently on my website. This is the home page, and so everything looks good. And so when I edit this post, I'm going to add a picture here. This one here. Okay, I go to insert it, hit update. Alright, and then I have caching set off here, so when I refresh the page, and I just edited this post to add that picture. And now it's gone. So I have the title and all the tag and author information, and when you click on it, that's what you get. So everything else displays fine. But when you go back to the home page, you still see all the posts. That's gone. So I thought in this image here, you'll see it's a JPEG, 600 by 450 pixels, 187 kilobits. Bring it in to here. Look at the file info. There's nothing that stands out to me in any of this. If in the EXIF data, this was the camera it was taken from. It was a much higher resolution. I made the image smaller, but even with the higher image, it was still giving the same error. So my first thought was, okay, the file's too big. So I made the image size smaller and got the file size down. But that didn't seem to really fix it. So then I thought, well, and I'll just show you here for consistency's sake. If I delete it and update, okay, and we refresh. And we're back. So I thought, what if I previewed this photo and then I took a screenshot of it? Maybe it was just something with the file. So maybe something got corrupt. So I save it as something completely different, as a JPEG. And it's a little bit smaller dimensions and a lot smaller in size now. But if I go in, and I just did a screen capture of this, so it should be pretty clean at that point. There shouldn't be any corruptness being transferred in that way. If I insert it, we're going to update. We'll refresh. We're back to the same thing. So I'll go back, delete that photo, update. refresh. And we're back. Now, most of the pictures work just fine. 99% of them load in here no problem, even some of these bigger ones. But it just seems to be this one photo, and for whatever reason, even when I do the screen capture one, it still causes that error. So I'm just gonna add it, the same one. So this is the screen capture one. I'm just gonna do it to show you the code. And it was called Up Close. Here it is. So here's the code. I don't see anything wrong with that. And I don't see any stray tags. If I copy this, and this is going to work perfectly because it's not the full text, but you know, the HTML doesn't see anything that's severely wrong here. So one more time back at the code. Alright. Well, if you guys have any ideas, I would really appreciate the help. Thanks so much.